Hi babes, welcome back again to today's tutorial. So in today's class we are going to be learning how to make the coat shoulder sleeve with ruffle. Please stay tuned. Do not forget to like this video, share it, subscribe and comment your views. Thank you. Here I have my fabric folded into two for the two sleeves. This sleeve is a long sleeve with coat shoulder and we have ruffles at the coat shoulder area. And to do this sleeve is as simple as A, B and C. The first thing you want to do from this point is take your cap's height. For me, I have 4 inches and I will mark that. Then you go ahead to mark your 3/4 length and your full length. On my cap's height line, I did my armhole divided by 2 plus 1. Now, with a straight line, you are just going to connect this point to this point. So, I figure that this material is quite stretchy. You are just going to give this point a little curve. Just follow what I am doing exactly. It's not difficult. Alright? So, can you see that? Just shape it out, give it a little curve, and then we are through with this part. Now, measure around the circumference of your 3/4 area and then you're just going to divide that into 2 plus 1 and then impute that here. Moving on is to measure round the circumference of your wrist, divide that into 2 plus 1. So I'm just going to impute that here. Just to remind you, the plus 1 is for your stitching allowance. The next step is to create the coat shoulder. So come down from this point by 2 inches. Then from this 2 inches mark, come down by 8 inches. Now place your tape on the 2 inches mark to the 8 inches mark. Now divide whatever you have there into 2. Now come to this center mark, go inward by 2.5. You will then connect this point to this point to this point to make that circle. Then we have our coat shoulder. Now go ahead to cut this out. And please guys, if you are here to subscribe, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And let me know the next tutorial you want me to work on in the comment. Thank you. If you don't want the ruffles around the coat shoulder area, you can use bias to tape this. So you are going to open this up like so. The right side should be facing you, and then measure round this circle. Measure it round. After I measured mine, I have 26 inches. 26 inches times 3. So I have cut a length of 26 inches times 3. I have 80 inches long here. It is 5 inches wide. So now what to do is this. You are going to pick it this way. Pick it like this. Alright. I'm going to join it into a circle. I'll make it a circle. After joining it into a circle, you're going to now fold it into 2 like this. Fold it into 2, right? Now you want to do it this way. So you'll start pleating this into like this. As you're pleating it, you are sewing it. So you pleat that round this till you are through with the fabric you cut. So guys, here is after joining, pleating round. Now you want to open this up like this. Take your bias. You want to sew it round. I've sewn it round. Now I want to trim off all of the excesses. So trim off the excesses here so that it will not be too bulky. have to remove the excesses. I'm just going to now fold this over. This bias, you fold it over like this, and then you stitch on it. Fold it over like this, and you stitch on it, and that's it. So that's all for our coat shoulder sleeve with ruffle. If you enjoy this tutorial to this point, please hit the like button, share to a friend to send to a friend to also enjoy the same value. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.